We arrived at the showgrounds to find and spot. First up was a lovely Mercedes Sprinter, so we couldn't wait to pop our heads in and have a look. It was difficult as there was a lot of people in and around their vehicles, so we couldn't get a really good video because I didn't want to take any shots of people in the shot too much. Yeah, really impressed. They had changed a lot since 2010, obviously in the cabin. Yeah, we would love this one. The seating, shower, cooking facilities, and a bed, and lots of storage. Sorry for my camera angle. I had a little camera problem on site, so just had to do it the old-fashioned way, and it's sort of a little bit jerky here and there. We even had a look inside the Winnebago um, and see what the setup was like. And of course, everything was sold. Like, yeah, every vehicle we visited was sold. Bedding above the thing would be lovely for our cats to sleep on. Don't tell Karen. We came to the showgrounds to have a look at a couple of things. One was solar panels and solar setup, but there really wasn't a supplier here to really talk. We got chatting to a guy you'll see a bit later in a tent. The audio was really bad because they were within a big tent and there was lots of people, and it really wasn't really what we were after. Yeah, so just lacking in some good suppliers, like it would have been great if Renergy had been there or an agent for Renergy, so we could have chat. Or Red Arc would have been good if we had had an agent there for Red Arc, but they weren't there either. It's had two bathrooms in it, one shower and one toilet separately. It was amazing. Very well finished off. A very open plan.
So this is your levelling kit, which is perfect for your motorhome.
Yep.
As you can see, it's all done with blocks, so you can stack it up as high as you want or as low as you want,
Yep.
which is good for your situation.
Yep.
Because if you only need to go an inch high on, say, one of your wheels,
Yep.
you can just lay two blocks out, put one of your caps on. That gives you a nice flat surface for your wheel to sit on.
Yep.
So you can go an inch on this side. If you need to go 2 inches on that side of your van, you can do that. And then also with your three blocks, you can also go 2 inches. Always lock them together so that they stay together, don't come apart. Put your cap on top, and then you can just drive straight up onto them. So for the situation of a motorhome, the blocks are perfect, better than ramps because they're height adjustable.
Okay,
just
that
by
sounds
stacking
great.
it. Once you're on there, as long as you chop one of your wheels and they lock in as well, you're not going to go anywhere. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Sounds
That's really good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That's okay.
Thank you.
No
And
problem.
And what's your name?
Brad.
Brad. Thanks, Brad.
Thank you.
Yeah, we came across this guy. Like I said, the audio was so bad I had to cut it out. It gave us a brief look at what was on the market in terms of a small little portable battery operated, very similar to the UK Jackery and stuff like that, but probably not as powerful. Certainly was quite pricey for what it was, but if you wanted an all-one little unit for camping, it was probably ideal. The chaps here is explaining the fold-out solar blanket, which we were quite interested in. It was a 200-watt solar blanket, and then you just sort of just roll it out and either put it on the ground or put it across your car or like that. And it was quite very interesting. It might be on our definitely on our list um, to purchase. There was a few batteries, like lithium batteries, that he was explaining. A couple of big fold-out panels. There was a brand I didn't really know either, so it get and the prices were quite reasonable. But I probably would want to do some research just on the batteries, seeing that they were quite cheap. Sometimes they're not always um, really what they're claiming them to be. So if anyone knows about this company or their batteries, can you put a comment in the comments? Just let me know if it's worth trying. Um, yeah, so that would be really good if you can comment. we went and had a look at some of the four-wheel drive off-road trailers that were fully geared up, and I quite like this one. Maybe it was because of the name, kick-ass. But yeah, quite impressed inside. It's got everything you could possibly need, and you just fold it all out. Maybe our friends, gay and the lesbian, might like this footage, although they've got a pretty good setup already. But yeah, there was a lot of these off-road trailers, all geared up. Everything's in them. You couldn't want anything else but something to tow them with. I'd just like you to thank our subscribers for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. Yeah, and we'll see you on the next one.